Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Highlander headlight. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll want to gather a few basic tools, like a screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Then, simply open the hood to get started. This initial preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for your vehicle's lighting. Now let's get that old headlight out. Look for the retaining clips or screws that hold the entire headlight assembly in place. These are usually easy to spot. Carefully remove them, then gently pull the whole assembly forward to detach it from the vehicle. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Take your time with these steps to avoid any damage. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Depending on your Highlander model, you'll either twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Almost done. Carefully realign the headlight assembly and push it back into its original position. Reinstall all the retaining clips or screws you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Before you finish up, make sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Highlander's headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.